So we're staying in nearby Onan, and we're doing a day trip to Krabi. And there's a temple and a waterfront we're going to show you. And starting here with the temple. This is the day tour to Krabi. All right, let's look inside, see what we can find. This is our Google Map tour of Krabi Town, Thailand. But don't write anything down. Just click the link in the notes below this video for all the information about this tour. At that link, you'll also find everything else you need to know about how to do Krabi and Onan for cheap, including tours, restaurants, accommodations, and transportation. Plus, our Retired Cheap reports about this and 40 other locations worldwide. Okay, back to our video. This is the largest Buddhist temple in Krabi Town. It was founded in 1887 when 200 families settled here and built this temple. The art and ornation of this temple is beautiful and definitely worth a visit. Plus, it is peaceful to see the monks that wander around the large premises in their orange robes. So this is the Krabi History Wall, and I don't know that you'll be able to read it because it's in darker colors, but this ancient community goes back about 3,000 years, and there's evidence here that it was trading with, at that time, with India, the Arabians, Rome. Pretty impressive, huh? And there's about 30 of these panels that depict what was happening at the time. And I don't think I'll go over all of them, but Krabi has been famous for its beads and glassware dating back about 2,000 years. And there's a picture of a market with people selling beads. And then about 100 before Christ, this is part of the Silk Route. Gateway of the Southern Silk Route to connect merchants and travelers between the West, China. And as you can see, those are European-type boats there. It jumps to 1587 to 1809. Here you can see the king. Anyway, so this is definitely one of the stops you should make here in Krabi. This is, by the way, it's in front of City Hall, so if you're wondering where to go. It's just, yeah, it's called the History Wall. This is the second stop on the Krabi walking tour. So next, the Google map will take you along the Krabi riverfront. That's where I'm standing now here in the video, where you'll see longboats that can take you to Onan or Railay Beach and other locations. This is a pleasant riverside park with food carts along the waterfront. If you walk south along the waterfront, you'll eventually see the marina where wealthy visitors and locals can dock their boats of various sizes. They call this the Krabi Night Market, and the one that we're going to go to later with all the bugs and stuff, that's called the Krabi Town, Krabi Town Night Market, and it's weekends. Yeah, I think it's just have a lot of food. Yeah, a lot of food here. I don't think we're going to go hungry. So what do you think of the little walkway right here? Peaceful? Peaceful. Yeah, it's a very small little town, 50,000 people. There's, I don't know if you can see down there, but there's a marina. And so if you're on a sailboat or motorboat and you're passing through, there's a place there to park your boat. come into town, and you can catch longboats here for like 150 baht, which is what's that, $5 to Raleigh Beach one way, and so, or PP Island, all the various places. And there's it's Krabi River, so it lets into the bay. Anyway, it's very quaint and peaceful. There's a art installation here of Volkswagen trunks and bumpers. And I don't know what these are. They look almost like, I don't know what they are, buoys or something. Anyway, we're gonna head to the night market now. We'll bring you with us. Well, this is the Krabi night market. There's a couple of them. This is the Friday, Saturday, Sunday market. The other one we showed you next to the river is just food. This is everything, food and whatever. So off we go.
I don't know. Mini pancake. They are called mini pancake.
How much was it?
12 pieces for 30 baht.
So $1 for 12?
Oh.
Yeah, 100.
How many food I want to eat?
What is it? Egg fried squid?
Yeah. Egg fried squid.
Egg fried squid.
Yeah. Squid egg.
So how much was it? 50 baht? $1.60. Is it good? So it's about 8 o'clock. It's a little early to really go out and party or whatever. So we checked out the 2 bars on the list. They're both kind of sleepy, but it's kind of early, 8 o'clock. Come on, who's going to be out at 8 o'clock on a Saturday night? So Chung Hoi wants to get she wants to get a cocktail for her Instagram feed. They have these bamboo looking, cool looking tacos or cocktails, and then we'll probably head back to Onan and check out the nightlife there.
Okay.
Jack, you okay?